If you want to live a long, healthy life, with a fit body, and an attractive personality, this video is really important for you then. Today, we are going to uncover an aspect of our beloved Mediterranean diet for weight loss that you are not aware of at all. In the European Journal of Nutritional Health, there has been a groundbreaking revelation. It totally changes the way you approach the Mediterranean diet on your fitness journey. And we are going to elaborate that for you. Well, according to the new study, in the health and nutritional domain, some ingredients create ripples, while others, like the apple cider vinegar and olive oil, create waves. Both are revered for their health benefits, but when combined within the framework of the Mediterranean diet, they present a very powerful proposition for weight loss. Now, how does that happen, and how can you use it to your advantage? You'll find out in a bit. This is Shape Squad, your trusted partner in nutritional health and fitness. Well friends, in the quest for a healthy and sustainable weight loss, integrating the apple cider vinegar and olive oil becomes a highly potent strategy for weight loss. With roots deep in history, these two have been nature's remedy for various ailments. And, when considered within the Mediterranean diet, they promise to be extremely effective allies on the weight loss journey. And, before revealing how to combine both these magical Mediterranean diet ingredients for your weight loss, you need to understand the role of apple cider vinegar and olive oil separately. Well, the transformation of simple apple juice into apple cider vinegar is not just fermentation. Rather, it is a metamorphosis into a health elixir. At its core, apple cider vinegar results from fermenting apple sugars into acetic acid. But it's essential to understand that quality plays a pivotal role. Organic, unfiltered versions containing the mother offers the highest benefits. And it's not just a tangy dressing or a weight loss drink. Its potential health benefits range from aiding digestion to supporting stable blood sugar levels. Now, let's tell you about the critical role of the olive oil in this entire picture. The Mediterranean's liquid gold, olive oil, embodies the essence of its region. Extracted from the olive fruit, it manages to capture its aroma, flavors, vitamins, and all the beneficial properties. And beyond its culinary appeal, olive oil is a nutritional marvel. Its monounsaturated fats and antioxidants are lauded for their heart-protective and anti-inflammatory properties. Adding olive oil to your diet transforms your meals, both in flavor and nutrition. And, now, the most awaited thing. The synergy of two titans, combining apple cider vinegar and olive oil. While apple cider vinegar and olive oil come from different culinary worlds, when combined, they create an exemplary gastronomic and health alliance. Their compatibility is really undeniable. The sharp, acidic nature of apple cider vinegar finds a harmonious balance with the richness and smoothness of the olive oil. This blending not only leads to a delightful taste, but it also promises enhanced health benefits for you. So, how they both aid you in weight loss? Well, apple cider vinegar's connection to weight loss isn't merely anecdotal. There's real science behind the claims. Among health circles, it's often touted to boost metabolism, reduce your appetite, and even plays a role in fat reduction. Plus, it aids in prolonging satiety, and has a critical role in stabilizing post-meal blood sugar levels. And according to the new research, combining apple cider vinegar with olive oil is more than a culinary experiment. Rather, it's a super nutritional enhancement. Olive oil's inherent properties not only amplify the taste of your meal, but it also elevates the health profile of any dish it graces. The coupling of vinegar with monounsaturated fats, such as those in olive oil, has been observed to induce increased feelings of fullness. And this is especially crucial for an effective weight management. Moreover, olive oil's abundant health benefits, from antioxidants to heart health promotion, really solidify its revered status in nutritional health. Now, how can you use this amazing combo for rapid weight loss? Well, unleashing the potential of both apple cider vinegar and olive oil starts in the kitchen. Consider a simple salad dressing made with a base of apple cider vinegar, generously infused with olive oil and seasoned to perfection. The versatility of this blend allows for endless improvisations. For instance, a Mediterranean-inspired concoction might include a hint of lemon zest and finely chopped rosemary. This dressing becomes the perfect accompaniment to salads, roasted vegetables, and even grilled meats. It not only gives you an exceptional tasteful experience, but also puts your weight loss journey on fast track. But friends, you must keep this in mind. A true, sustainable weight loss results from a harmonious blend of diet, exercise, and lifestyle modifications. These two nutritional titans, when included in a balanced diet, can certainly act as catalysts on your journey to optimal health. So, have you tried apple cider vinegar or olive oil in your recipes? Do tell in the comments. Subscribe now to Shape Squad, and keep getting all the vital health and nutritional updates for your better life. Hit the like button if you found this info helpful. We'll be back soon, with our next amazing video on nutritional health and fitness.